This bird has built a nest and now it is very angry that I am going near the nest. There are chicks in this nest and they are continuously getting food for them in their beaks. And whenever I am going somewhere near, they are just trying to attack me by flying very near to my ear and trying to discourage me from going near to the nest. It is afraid whether I will be harming them, the babies, the chicks of these birds. Very finely woven. Again the bird has come as I am nearing to the nest. This is a pair. Look how it is with ruffled feathers. It is in an aggressive mode to attack me anytime. Beautiful nest has been woven. Look at this nest. There are chicks inside. Yesterday I could see them. Their beaks on. Look how it is coming. Look at this bird. Look at this bird. That is motherly love towards his babies. For the whole night it sits on the chicks without any movement. Now it's trying to attack me. Another bird is sitting somewhere keeping an eye on me. Another variety of bird had just arrived. Look how there it is, not moving at all. Another that tiny bird. Look at its beak. I'm afraid it can attack on my eyes or head with its pointed beak. Look at it. How there it is, not at all moving from its place. Fully protective towards its nest and the chicks inside.